Going for this solo project, Scrimba. Gonna record my progress, try to rush through it, see how good we are, start to finish, doing a challenge like this. So basically, here's the challenge. We gotta copy this design here. We're gonna go with the dark theme. It's a unit converter basically. So we're following this theme here, and we're trying to copy it all over. And it should also work, obviously. So save a number to a variable in the code that they enter. Okay, you just save the number. They don't enter it. When it loads, it does a calculation and displays the result and rounds numbers to 3 decimal places. And then we have a bonus here. Add an input for the user to change the number. Okay, got it. First, we'll do it with the save variable. So first things first, let's do the JavaScript. All right, guys, all done. Took me 2 hours to run through this. I was going pretty casual though. I mean, I did what I could, but I probably could have could have been more focused and got it done quicker. I was taking my time, making sure I just get everything right. Here's the CSS, running through it really quick. Once again, HTML here, using IDs to grab the stuff, to grab the data, and then we have our button here that submits the form. Fill in the form with a number, hit convert, and it converts it automatically. Here's all the JavaScript. So there's functions for each. Here's the 3 functions for each of these. Once you hit calculate or convert, it'll take the input. If you put a bad input, it comes out as this because it's null. You put 0, comes out as 0. You put the right stuff, you get the right calculations. So 6 feet, 6 meters is 20 feet. 6 feet is 1.8 meters. Pretty cool. 2 hours to do something simple like this. Should be quicker in the future, but figuring it out the first time, that's what really took a lot of time. This is the mock here, the template. This is what I got here. And the extra step was to take out the number and put an input with a button. And I think we did pretty good. Pretty happy with my progress so far in this course, and I'm going to keep at it. That wraps up Devlog 3. Next up, we got building blackjack. This should be pretty sick. Definitely excited for this part.